Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a little bit different song here. It's from an artist, Pun, or Pun. I'm not sure about that pronunciation. I believe he comes from Thailand. So, yeah, and the title of the song, I just couldn't even read it. I think that translates into same place. I'm not sure. I think so. So, Pun, same place. That is the closest I come to this artist and title. Let's go into the actual song. That's the most important thing. And we're going to do that without any capo, so it's clean on the fretboard here. We have a couple of chords to go over, so let's start with D. Alright, so D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor, which is a bar chord, so you place your index finger on the second fret where you cover 5 strings if you count from bottom like this. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. We have G next. Alright, so that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A as well, and that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord is D, F chord. So that is basically a D, but with an F sharp in the bass. So it goes like this. So we'll play the second E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. Okay, so let's go and learn the strumming. So starting with D, grab that chord, and one strumming round will be like this. Okay, so you have first down, up, clap, down. So down on a short pause, and then up, clap, down. A short pause and then down clap. That's it. So down, up clap, down, down clap. And so on. Alright, so let's go into the verse. And we're going to play D, 1 string around, then B minor, 1 string around, and G, 2 string rounds. That chord progression of D1, B minor 1, and G2, you're going to play for 2 rounds. One round goes like this. Okay, so you double up and you have played the first verse. Now into the pre-chorus, now you're going to play just 1 down for E minor, and then 1 down on G, and then 2 downs on A, with the same process in between. You played for only that 1 round, E minor, G, and A for 2 downs. Okay, that is the pre-chorus, and then into the chorus parts. Now you will go back to the strumming here and play 1 string round of the following chords: D, then the D, F, then G, and then A. That is 1 chord progression, and you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So D, D, F, G, and A. Again. Okay, so that is the chorus, and then you're gonna end the first round with an instrumental part, and you're gonna play the verse play for 1 round, which means D1 and B minor 1 and G2. That is the first round. Into the second round of everything, the second verse, it's just repetition, 2 rounds of the very same D1, B minor 1, and G2. Then second pre-chorus, play it again in the same way as the first one, E minor, G, A. Downs on those chords, and that's the pre-chorus second round. And the second chorus, again, just repetition, 2 rounds of the very same D, D, F, G, and A, 1 string round per chord. And then we have this second instrumental round after this chorus. And now you're gonna play the chorus for 2 rounds, okay? So you have the chorus chords for 2 rounds, but you're just gonna play 1 down per chord. So just the D, and then the D F, and then G, and then A. You do that for 2 rounds. That is the second instrumental part. Okay, after that, you go back and play the final parts of the song. You're gonna go back and play the third chorus. Again, just repetition, 2 rounds of the same chord progression. And then we have the final outro in this song. And you're gonna play the verse play for 2 rounds. The D, B minor, and G. 2 rounds of that strumming, and that wraps it up for Pun, Same Place. So, sorry all you guys from Thailand, perhaps you know how this should be pronounced. So I hope you can leave a comment there and try to fix everything that I couldn't handle here in this tutorial. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.